Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add page break in Google Docs. We can add page break two ways. First one, click here before your text, right? Now select insert option and scroll down. Here we will find this page break option and simply click here page break and see this. Our page already break. And second way, I will break here. Press Ctrl plus Enter from your keyboard and see this page break already created. Also, I will create page break here. Select inside and page break. Yeah, in this way you can add page break as much as you want. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.